Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix lagging problems in FIFA Mobile. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to use the FIFA Mobile application, but when you open it and start to log in, you notice that there are various different lags that is not allowing you to use the application properly, then in order to fix this issue, there are a few different steps. The first step is to check if your internet connection is stable enough. So make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection, and if this is the case and your internet connection is working just fine, then move on to the next step. The second step is to check and see whether you are updated to the latest version of the FIFA Mobile application. So open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and simply type in and search for FIFA Mobile. Once you find the FIFA Mobile application, go ahead and tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, then this means you will need to tap on the update button to install the latest updates. So go ahead and tap on this and wait for a while until the updates are fully installed. Once the update is done, you will see the open button once again, so you can open up the application and see if your issue is fixed. If this still doesn't work, then one final thing that you can try is to long press on the FIFA application and tap on the info button. From the application info page, go ahead and tap on force stop first at the bottom right corner and tap on OK to stop the app. Then scroll down and tap on storage, and from the storage page, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and tap on the delete button to delete all of your user data for the FIFA application. After doing this step, you will need to log into your account once again for the FIFA Mobile application, but now you will not experience any more lags in your application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix lags on FIFA Mobile. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.